Welcome to Lujin's Custom Cars. I'm Ben. Good morning. Well, it's about 5:30 here in Oregon, and I don't know if you can see that, about 30 degrees out, nice and cold. Anyway, today we're going to replace the grab handles on my 2006 Scion XB. It's my daily and my project car all in one. Now obviously I've already removed one, and we're going to show you how I did it and what we're replacing it with. We're also going to see how bad my video skills are, but you got to start somewhere, right? Here we go. Now I've loosely put this one back up there for show and tell, but if we look in closely, there we go. You see how this is attached right here, and then there's a 10mm bolt here and another one here. And what I did is, when this was closed, I pushed against it with a finger, up here with a flat blade, up under here. It's kind of a pain in the butt, and you pop it out. And then you come over and you do the same one. And you go to the back and you do the same thing. All right. Now, you get your 10mm wrench, socket, whatever you got. You got an impact, that's fine. I've already got these loose, so I'm just gonna back them out. There's one. Let's try not to lose them. Ooh, that one went pretty good. There we go. Now, there we go. Both bolts right there. All right. That's what it looks like. Threaded in there. All right. And what we're going to replace it with is this. Now, I am trying this out. This is a prototype, and the color I got is translucent. Let's see if I can show you why. To my little pen light here, which is green. Ooh. Let me see. How do I do this? There we go. You can see the green light through there. Back out. Yep. Whew. Anyway. My goal is potentially to figure out how to put an LED under it. Anyway, these are pretty nice. They come with a Allen head bolt, stainless steel, and they take a M5, and they do recess in there. Look at that. And they're very sturdy plastic. Anyway, let's get to installing them. All right, let's get this. All right, I got the bolts in there. Now, can't get these started with one hand. There we go. There's that one. There's that one. Now I'm not using an M5 Allen. I'm using, what is that? That's a T30 Torx bit. But since we're not torquing it very heavily, we're just getting it tight, it actually fits perfectly. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna cheat. Get my Milwaukee. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Easy, next one. There we go. There we go. Don't drop that. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Now, this is going to look a whole lot better. I'm going to take this headliner down and I'm going to recover my headliner, and you'll see me go through those steps. So I'm going to do this headliner in black and it's going to look nice. Anyway, it's getting colder out and my fingers are getting numb, so I'm going to buzz through and knock out the other three. And we're going to call it a job. It's all going to be the same thing, the same steps. Use your flat blade to pry open the tabs, 10 millimeter to back out the 2 bolts. Then you have your old one off. And then an M5 Allen head or the T30 Torx bit to screw the new ones in. Yeah, these are solid. I'm going to give these a try and see how they are and give feedback to the guy who made them for me. And when we go ahead with production, I'll let you guys know who's making them. Anyways, I do appreciate you all coming along for this ride, and for other future videos. I hope you enjoyed this and got some value out of it. I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna see what kind of trouble we can get into, right? And see what kind of things we can do to change and customize our cars. And this is mine. I'm doing what I want with it, the way I want to do it. Everybody has the right to customize their own the way they want to do it. I'm not sticking to any kind of set build style or pattern. It's just I'm doing what I like. Anyway, have a great day, and I look forward to see you on future videos. Bye.